Hey everyone! Want to take a break from Instagram without missing a beat? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable quiet mode on Instagram so you can enjoy uninterrupted time without notifications. Let's dive in. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your profile page. In the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. You should see an option for quiet mode here. Tap on it to open the quiet mode settings. Now, turn on quiet mode by tapping the switch. You'll also have the option to set specific start and end times during the day when quiet mode should be active. For example, if you want quiet mode to start at 11 p.m., set it as the start time and choose an end time for when you want notifications to resume. When quiet mode is on, your status will show as in quiet mode. You won't receive any notifications, and if someone sends you a direct message, they'll get an automatic reply letting them know you're in quiet mode. And that's it! Now you can enjoy some quiet time away from notifications. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.